Did you know that third-party websites and apps can access your phone number and address book? On many Android smartphones, certain settings are enabled by default. In this guide, you'll learn exactly what to turn off to improve the security and privacy of your phone number and contacts. Let's get started. First, open your main settings and scroll down to Google. At the top, tap on the wrench icon labeled All Services. Scroll down to Phone Number Sharing. This setting allows Google to share your phone number when other apps or websites request it. For better security, it's strongly recommended to disable this option. Not every app or service should have access to your phone number. While some services are trustworthy, others may misuse your information. Once your number is shared, you could start receiving spam calls, persistent ads, and unwanted offers. Turn off this setting, then move to the next step. Open Google Chrome or the browser you normally use. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and scroll down to Settings. Select Addresses and More. You'll see an option called Save and Fill Addresses. When enabled, your phone number and address details are stored and automatically filled in on websites. While convenient, this can increase exposure of your personal information. For stronger privacy, consider disabling this setting. Although you may need to manually enter your details in the future, it adds an extra layer of protection. That's it. By adjusting these simple settings, you take full control of your phone number and contact privacy. A few small changes can make a big difference in protecting your personal information from unnecessary access. Make sure to review your permissions regularly and keep your device secure. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others so they can protect their privacy too. Stay safe, stay secure, and see you in the next guide.